Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to this video. We're talking about the myEcon compensation plan and one of my favorite aspects of myEcon, which is making money with their killer compensation plan. So in this video, we're going to do an abbreviated, short and direct to the point with some real examples of the myEcon compensation plan and what the potential is for you if you are looking at myEcon as a viable business. Maybe you've looked at it before, maybe you're looking at it now. Well, you're on the right video, my friend, and I have a lot more information. Link in the descriptions down below if you want to see more about my team, what we do, how we literally give you over $10,000 in free value when you join our myEcon team, including everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business today, from sales funnels to viral content and marketing. We're actually going to give you the content. All you got to do is go share it. And we're going to give you all the sales funnels and do all the email marketing for you, make it really stupid, simple, easy for you to promote your myEcon business. Now, let's dive into the compensation plan here. And I just want to spell it out for you real simple, kind of black and white or blue and white here, as you see on your screen. You can earn up to $70 when someone joins you. There's 3 levels to join, okay? 3 levels to join and 2 membership levels. So you can join for $20 or $40. That is the FSM membership level, which is $40 a month after you join. Okay. So $20 or $40 to join. Okay. And then you can also join at the highest level, which is their EBM level of membership. Okay. Which is $60 per month, or $100 today when you join. That gets you access to everything. I have more information on that, link in the description down below. I'm not going to dive into the membership levels and what you get with each one. That's all covered in other videos. Today, we're just talking about money. So when someone joins you, $20, $40, or $100, you get around 70% commission, so up to $70 per sale. So as an example, someone joins you at the $100 level, you get a $70 commission. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. Now, when people are renewing every single month, whether it be at the FSM level for $40 or the EBM level for $60, okay, you can get up to $13 per renewal. Here's the magic of that. You can get that down through infinity, my friend. Okay, down through infinity, which is absolutely incredible. So there's some examples on your screen there. And these are weekly team sales. So this isn't your own personal production, how many people you personally sponsor. This is your team sales. And I'm going to show you some examples of team sales here in a minute and what the income potential really is right now today as I record this video. Real life data, real life numbers, so you can see it for yourself. Okay. So if you did an average of weekly team sales, about 10 weekly team sales for you and your team, add that up the way that the compensation plan works, okay, and the residuals work, okay, and the earnings per member, okay, it would be about $6,500 per month. So even if you just did a little bit of effort, you brought some team members in, you guys did a little bit of effort at the end of a year, and I know that might seem like a long ways away, but think about it. If you just worked this business part-time, 1 to 2 hours a day, okay, you shared some content, you brought some people in, and you had 10 team sales per week, at the end of a year, you would be making about $6,500 per month. Like, wouldn't that be worth it? Wouldn't that be worth it for you to have an extra income of $6,500 per month? And let's just do some stupid quick math here, what that would add to your bank account. So 6,500 times 12, that would be an extra $78,000 per year that you could be earning with your myEcon business at only 10 new team members per week. Like, that's crazy money right there with very minimal effort. Okay. Now let's kick it up a notch. What if you had 50 new team members per week over the course of a year? That would be about $32,500 per month. Yes, you're seeing that correctly. So again, just some fun math for you. Okay. $32,500 times 12. Okay. $390,000 a year with your myEcon business. Now, obviously, you have to get out, you have to get to work, you have to go get out there and show and share content and go work your business. And yes, again, Same time frame, you could do this in about 1 to 2 hours per day, and you could work your way up to those numbers. But just imagine 50 sales per week on your team. This is based on real data and real math. This isn't an assumption. These are averages with the myEcon compensation plan, the way that it works, and the money you get per residual on your team. Remember, this pay plan goes down to infinity. There's absolutely no cap on your income stream. Okay. So now let me take it over to another slide. So I know the numbers are a little bit small. You might have to squint there to kind of really see what's going on here, but these are my team sales. Now, full disclosure, I have two accounts. I have account for my wife and I have account for me, meaning, yes, we double dip into the compensation plan, which you guys can very much do. That's the power of the myEcon compensation plan. So, what would you rather have? One income stream or two income streams for the same amount of work? For the same amount of work. And by the way, we'll show you how to set all that stuff up once you get on the inside. So, check this out. Okay. And this video right here was shot in August. We're in the 3rd week of August, right in the middle of the week. So, let me explain to you what you're seeing on your screen right there. Okay. First week of August, we did 123 sales on our team. Okay. The week after that, we did 99 sales on our team. The week that we're in right now, we're halfway through the week. So we're already at 54 team sales, probably going to finish the week close to 100, if not more than 100 sales per week. And you can see below, okay, right where it says income potential, just do the math. Just do the math. If we're averaging 100 sales per week, you can see that if we did 50 sales per week, the income at the end of the year would be about, after a full year of 50 sales per week, would be about $32,000 a month. This is just for one account. I have two accounts. Okay. So, and that means that there's not only 100 team sales for one account, there's also 100 team sales for another account. So that's two accounts doing about 100 team sales per week. So you do the math, my friend. That right there is the true power of the myEcon compensation plan. And trust me, if I could do this, you could do this too. It just takes consistency and dedication to practicing this and doing this every single day. And over time, you will get good. Over time, you will build a team. And over time, you will make the money that you want. It just takes getting started, getting going, and not stopping. And if I could go from literally working retail sales my entire life to doing this and making those type of numbers, my friend, so can you. Action cures fear. End of story. And I can promise you this: success is not found inside of your comfort zone. It's found on the outside of your comfort zone. So take a leap on yourself. If you're ready to get started, go ahead, link in the description down below. Click that, select your plan, get in. Don't even think about it. It's $20, $40, or $100. Don't even think about it. We're going to give you over $10,000 in free value, training, education, funnels, email marketing, content, marketing, everything you need to get out there and crush your myEcon business. So smash that link in the description down below. Go ahead and get yourself in on the inside, because plain and simple, the myEcon compensation plan is amazing. All you have to do is get in and go work it and take advantage of it. That is it, my friend. Hope you got value from this video and have a better understanding now of the myEcon compensation plan and the power of the myEcon compensation plan. I hope it makes a little bit more sense to you and you just have some basic understanding of it. But I wanted to shoot this quick video for you so you could really see and understand the potential of this compensation plan. So that is it. If you have any questions for me, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. Also have that in the description down below. Send me a text message, ask me anything. And if you're ready to get started, link in the description down below. Go ahead and smash that. Get on the inside, my friend, because I promise you, it's much better to be on the inside versus standing there on the outside looking in. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.